Hey guys, Matt here. Today I'm going to show you how to set up a brand new iPhone. So what you're going to do is switch on the phone by using the button on the side or the top if you have a smaller model, and that should turn it on. Once it switches on, you should have this screen here. It's just saying hello in different languages. Then you press the home button and select your language. English for Australia, and then set up manually, choose your Wi-Fi network. You'll also need a SIM card in order to activate the phone, so I'll just get that now. To get the SIM card out, there should be a SIM card tray on the side of your old iPhone or in the side of your old Android. It might be in the back too. Then do the same with the new phone. It should also be on the side. Continue. And then this is the point where you choose if you want to restore the backup from your old phone or just set up as a new phone. For this one, we'll be setting up as a new phone. It will then ask you if you want to set up a Touch ID. Set up later. And then you have to create a password. Then it will come up with the Apple ID screen and you will enter in your Apple ID. Once you've entered it in, press next. And it will then ask you for your password. Once you entered in the password, click next again. And then a verification code may be sent to your other device if you have two-step verification on. Then you should agree to the terms and conditions, and it will take a few minutes to set up your Apple ID. You can either enable or disable location services, and then it will give you a description what location services does here. I'm just going to click enable. Then there's Siri, set up later, continue, and then you can customize your new home button if you have an iPhone 7 or 8. And then you click get started. And that's how to set up your brand new iPhone.